So about 2 weeks ago, I genuinely thank you guys for making it my most viewed video. Anyways, for this video, I already made a short version of this, but it didn't really get any views, and I wonder why, but I guess it's just because I can't really make any good shorts content. So, I'm going to be trying to making it into a full-length video. Hopefully that gets more views, and I can kind of tell because of my noodle one, as my shorts video of the noodle has like 30 views, but my recent one got 4K, so yeah, let's see what happens. For the first step, take 2 Oreos and place it in a bag. Then use a rolling pin or any other object to smash the Oreo into dust. Next, grab a bowl and fill it with chocolate chips / chocolate chunks, and then put it in a microwave to microwave it on low for 5-second intervals, or until it's melted. Next, you want to use a clean cup and you want to rotate it around the rim to cover the rim with the chocolate. Next, you want to take your bag of crushed Oreos and you want to empty it out on a plate. Then, doing the same thing you did with the cup, you want to now cover it in Oreos. Once the chocolate dries, we'll have a beautifully decorated cup. For the milkshake, add 1 cup of milk to the blender, 1 tablespoon of condensed milk, but it's really sweet, so it's kind of optional. And now for the flavor, add 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream. Next, you want to place 2 or less Oreos in the blender. Then, put the lid on and blend for 10 seconds. Now, to fill up the cup, you won't be adding 1, but 2 batches of the Oreo milkshake. To top it off, add 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream. Then lightly drizzle with Hershey syrup. And finally, add half an Oreo to the top. And voila! A marvelous Oreo milkshake. Thanks for watching and for 60 subs.